Oh, we're on. Here we are.
Oh, Jace, hello.
Welcome. Behind the scenes again. Let's see if we can perfect this one. Still haven't got
Ready?
it. Next one.
Oh, no, hang on, wait.
Yeah.
What are we doing, Jason?
We're doing a functional workout. So we're going to do a little bit of rotation type work. Aaron's got a couple of things he's struck up for us. So a mace bell. We're going to do some walking torsionate, and we've got a med ball to do some rotation.
Do we start
throws.
with some balance to start?
Oh, I wouldn't have thought so.
I reckon to advance to the next station, we both have to get through both without dismounting.
Oh,
okay.
Mate, I might not even start. Oh no! Is that a fail?
I think you can transfer here. Keep going, Jace. We both hit.
Mate, I'm pretty happy I fucking made it through one round.
One backwards as well.
What?
Walk backwards.
Leo, I can't walk forwards, let alone backwards.
Maybe it'll be easier. Oh no.
Oh no, FC will be out here in no time.
All right, Jace, what do you want to start with? Maybe some throws
Maybe
or
some
something?
throws, just ease into it.
We haven't done one of these since our Trapper Heroics.
Yes. Did anyone see it?
265?
Everyone saw it?
Yeah.
265
Maybe we'll put a link to it. Jason and I just randomly on a mid work day just decided to do 265 kilo Trapper.
Yeah, started off as farmers walks and ended up doing a PB.
Yeah, so who knows where this will go?
Yeah.
All
What
right,
are we
let's
going to
do
start with? Little chesties?
I reckon little chesties. Yep. Oh, there's a bit of weight in it.
Throw to the 14 pound. Do a couple on the opposite
Oi.
side. Oh. Throw to the opposite shoulder. That's what we're sort of aiming for. Change
Oh
it
yeah,
up.
okay, mix it up.
So you're teaching to absorb and then throw. Absorb and throw. Absorb and we'll go same side. Ooh.
Nice. So where have we been, Jay?
Oh, we have been over in San Francisco.
Have you done a video yet talking about it?
I did a little one with Ninja,
Yeah.
yes. So
How was the trip for you, man? And maybe for people that haven't seen the other videos.
trip was, so good.
Why did we go? What was the...
The main reason, well, we went over to see Mac, our NFL superstar, playing the Super Bowl.
Yep.
So, thanks to the work you and Ninja have done to get him on the park and get him right over a 7-year journey. So, we wanted to take the opportunity to get over there and support him, but also do a bit of networking for ourselves and our brand and
It was an awesome
get
trip,
our
wasn't
story
it?
over there. So, it was an awesome trip. We were
What
over
was your highlight?
definitely Max scoring a touchdown was the highlight of the week, but just the whole experience, like us four, but Aaron's partner Ash coming over as well, so the 5 of us just being able to hang out and explore, but also had a couple of good media opportunities come up, so that was cool, and a couple of events we got invited along to, so just the whole experience to go away as a team and obviously support Mac and be there physically present for him, which is a big thing of MMT's physical presence. So I think living up to what we tell other people is a big thing. So
Yeah, it was fun travelling together, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Like we'd banging around on Lime scooters every day and Das showing us the way with that. And it was a really cool way to explore a city because I think if Das hadn't kind of gotten us to do it, we probably wouldn't have done it. And you see so much more of the city when you're on scooters compared to Ubers or trains. So that was amazing. Apart from Das getting a king hit on the
Das
first
got
day.
punched on our the first couple of hours in San Fran. Some
Homeless guy.
Biggest punch you've ever seen. Wound up from back here,
Yeah.
literally did one of these ones.
Literally.
And luckily
Just clipped his
had a bit of
lip.
reaction to dodge it.
Another
But if he
homeless
didn't
guy
move-
came and
If he
remonstrated.
didn't move, I reckon front teeth would be
he would have been
so
gone.
Das would have been a whole different man on this channel.
Yeah, I know.
But,
Crazy.
thankfully he survived. And we
Beautiful Das.
moved on.
All your favourite face, favourite butt.
Yeah, that's right.
Could have been
His
brown
butt
bread.
might have been all right.
Yeah, his butt was all right. That'd still be good. It's still good. It's still good.
What was your favourite part though, Aaron? After
Well, let's start some throws again. I reckon
Yeah,
let's,
okay.
I'll go some side-ons and then
All right.
we'll talk about my favourite part. I was saying to Ninja on another video, every day we kept saying that was the best day ever, and then the next day it would kind of beat it. So I think for us, the biggest pinch ourselves moment, apart from the touchdown, that was definitely highlight, but the Saturday going to the team photo day with the family and friends and then just getting to spend time with Mac and just having pictures taken with the other players and
knowing who you were.
Yeah, well, the
but
fact that we had
was
no
pretty-
shoes on, they knew we were Max guys, and they were all lovely anyway, but as soon as they realised we were Max guys, they just were even more excited to want to come and have a photo with us. So that was really cool. And then, yeah, like the interviews with the media, that was amazing. But I was just really proud of how we actually documented it, I think. Like, our social media manager did a great job of telling the story. And I think we did a really good job of just documenting through stories and Instagram to like share it with everyone back here.
Yeah, we had a lot of people following it by the end of the...
I feel like we had a lot of,
People that don't
Melbourne and
follow
Australia
NFL at all,
following it. And on the day, I felt like we had so many more people watching the Super Bowl.
Yeah.
Because of
Invested in the
that.
journey.
Yeah. And that's why I was so happy that he actually scored, because it was like, everyone goes, oh my God, like that's, they could really understand the magnitude of it without knowing much about football.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
No, you're right.
Dodgy throw.
Yeah.
Whew.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Whew. Oh.
Yeah. Ready for some Maces,
Yeah,
bro?
let's see what we've got. What's the next one? You might have to demonstrate.
What was your most random highlight, or like an obscure highlight?
Darcy getting hit with one, but random.
Real highlight for you, was
Not
it?
a highlight, sorry. Obscure moment that I wasn't expecting to happen. Obscure moment. Give me a minute. I'll think of something.
All right, I'll show you how to do a mace, and then we'll get back
Yeah.
to Jace. So these maces are a pretty cool way to train. So you can do, it's basically like a pendulum. So the heavy part of it is here, and on this long stick, it means you can kind of just use the pendulum motion to work your core dynamically, get your spine, your rib cage kind of moving as one. So just that, yeah, when we get to here, my right side of my abs have to activate. And then when I get here, my left side has to activate. So it's just a dynamic way that probably mimics running and walking and throwing compared to just doing crunches and sit-ups and stuff like that. So when you get the hang of it, you can kind of start doing some funkier stuff like this. Like that.
Oh, yes. Real funk.
So it's fun. It's all about just timing and rhythm, and
Yeah.
it looks like it would be hard, but it's actually more of a stretch than an exercise.
If you
as
fight
such.
the momentum, though, it makes it a hard exercise, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
if you try and actually control the motion like this, it gets really hard because you actually have to use. You're basically lifting the entire bell from a dead position rather than momentum. So
All right, let's see if I can channel
go,
some
James.
of that. Oh, I take a little bit to get into the swing of it, but yeah, we'll
get into
come
the swing of
inside.
it, literally. There we
Oh,
go.
yes, he's been practicing. No, not really.
You knew we were doing this today, Jace.
Yeah.
You've been practicing all night.
My most obscure moment, no, it wasn't really obscure, but it was really fun. We went to a park near us
Yeah.
a couple of days, and we bought a little NFL footy and threw that around. So I think just running around in the park barefoot, catching some of the balls and throwing it and all that sort of stuff, and figuring out how hard it is to actually throw and
Get the timing right with the throws, yeah.
get the timing right. I don't think I hit one target the whole time, and that was with one defender.
Looking good, Jace.
Oh, this side always feels a little bit clunkier. Oh,
Very good, bro.
good. What
Very
about you?
good.
What was your obscure highlight?
Um,
Or obscure moment, if there wasn't a...
obscure highlight. Obscure highlight.
Ninja getting his ear pierced was pretty
That was
obscure.
pretty obscure.
It came to my head now.
We went to a party that was hosted by Mac's partner, Jen. She put 6 months of work into it. It was actually a sober party. So it was called Off the Rocks, which is a kind of cool play on words. But she works for a drug and alcohol rehab place, and so they put on this awesome party without grog. And so it was awesome because the frequency was so high. Everyone's vibe was really good. There were some pretty important people there, and the acts that played were amazing. But they had all these cool, random kind of health-based, or just
Health-based, but
just health and wellness and beauty kind of like stalls set up within the party. So there was like a frequency area where you can put on headphones and get frequency music played. There was this alpha stimulator one where it was basically like this frequency that would go through your earlobes to calm your nervous system and get more alpha waves going. And then there was an ear piercing station, and she was free ear piercings or donation. She was flat out for 3 hours. wasn't she would have
was working
pierced.
so hard.
Yeah, but Ninja was the first. He just walked in there and said, "I'll have my ear pierced," and got a
I think,
piercing
did
ear.
you mention it? You're like, oh, I go on Ninja. And he actually was like, yeah, all right.
He was
just-
on board
was straight
straight
into
away.
it.
Yeah, he
Little,
said he was like used to be into like a lot of punk and stuff.
Yeah,
like, so
used
kind
to
of,
have it back in the day.
he used to
too,
have
in the same
lip,
spot. Lip as well.
Lip he had, and tongue. and the one up there.
Can we find a photo
He had
of this?
tongue, yeah.
Tongue and lip.
Tongue and lip,
And-
yeah, and eyebrow.
What?
Yeah, yeah.
He did mention eyebrow at the
Yeah,
party, like,
but he said
"No,
tongue as
tongue."
well. How crazy is that?
Jeez, he was really in the
I
punk
know,
phase.
I know.
If we can ever find a photo of that,
Yeah, we're going to
I
have to
wanna-
crack out the archives.
Surely his mum and dad have got a little photo from back then.
All right, Torsionator, Jace.
What's this one, Aaron?
This is
I'll
a
get out of the way so I don't get
really good
knocked
one.
out.
So this is another one where a bit of dynamic core work. So you basically take a step and then you rotate over the front leg. Just take a step again, rotate over that front leg.
Oh.
So you probably see on the video, if I'm not carrying too much of my winter coat, that diagonal kind of stretch line in my abs.
Oh,
That's your spiral line. That's your core and how we move when we're running, walking and throwing. So you can go backwards too.
Oh, look at that turn. See the creases there, Leo? That's abs.
So yeah, that's a really cool one that we use a little bit when you just want to spice up your core work, and it's because you need so much stability. It's great.
There we go.
Great for
Oh, a
athletes.
little bit of a curl. And we step and rotate. Oh,
Look at that.
geez.
What a beast.
Oh,
Good man.
haven't done this in a while. One more forwards, and we'll see if we can go backwards as well. Oh, over the front leg.
Beautiful weather, isn't it?
Oh, we've been blessed.
Nice, Jace. Get some abs here, Leo. Oh yeah.
Oh, crank it on. Ah.
Looking good, bro.
Oh, what else have we got? Is that it?
How long have we been going for, Leo? Well, I think that's it, man.
That's a little behind
That's
the
a little
scenes.
good behind the scenes.
Not
so-
quite as big of an achievement as last time, but we still managed to do a
Yeah,
workout,
nice to
and
hang
have a
out
little
together
chat.
and share the story.
Yeah.
And yeah, we're going to give you one of these every 2 weeks. So comment what you want us to do, what you want to see.
Yeah,
that
if
would
you
really
want to
help
see
us.
us do a bit of cleaning or something.
Cleaning?
Yeah,
All right.
Obscure.
Folding towels and
Folding
stuff,
towels,
yeah.
you can fold towels.
Sitting in the sauna together, maybe?
Yeah.
Sauna chats.
Sunbaking.
Yeah.
Can, work
Whatever's
on my
a
tan.
go.
Maybe the dolphin can get a tan. Thanks,
Thanks,
guys.
guys. See ya.
Bye.